Hey guys, it's Shelley. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in today's video, I'm going to be swatching and applying shades from Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipstick collection. If you aren't familiar, these lipsticks are made with food grade and organic ingredients. They are gluten-free and they also contain resveratrol. So basically you could consume, I'm not saying that you should, but you could technically consume these lipsticks and they are completely non-toxic to our bodies. Not only are they healthy, they are also so gorgeous, comfortable, and really beautifully pigmented lipsticks. So if you're interested in sticking around and watching me swatch and apply 11 shades from Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipstick collection, then go ahead and keep on watching. So before I go ahead and start swatching and applying the Amuse Bouche lipsticks by Bite Beauty, I just want to give you a little bit more information about the product themselves. So as mentioned, these lipsticks are made with organic and food grade ingredients. They are also handcrafted and made in small batches. Bite Beauty also utilizes a low heat process, which basically helps to preserve the ingredients in the product. Alright, so with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me swatching and applying 11 shades from Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipstick collection.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time.
Alright, so that completes the swatches of Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipsticks. I have always been a cult follower of Bite Beauty. Their lipsticks and other lip products are just hands down some of the strongest formulas out there on the market. They are really high performing, beautifully pigmented lipsticks, as you can see. Better yet, again, they are non-toxic, they are really comfortable to wear, and they are also long wearing as well. So with that being said, let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite Bite Beauty product or shade of lipstick is. I'm really interested in hearing your favorites. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, so if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
I am so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny